Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And somebody asked me a question about the random restarts for Windows Update when the computer is not set to, do anything special. It doesn't. You don't have active hours activated or anything, and it has to do with the fact that that user says, he's working on documents, he's doing stuff, and then suddenly it says, hey, we need to restart for an update. And he wonders if there's ways to mitigate this or to make the computer start only or restart only at certain times. And there is a feature for that in Windows 11. So if you go into your settings app, go into the Windows updates, and go into the advanced options, you have an option called active hours. Active hours has to do with a time frame that you tell the computer you cannot restart during these hours. So, for example, mine is set for my kind of activity day. Since I am a night owl, I often will go to sleep and work on the computer even pretty late at night. And of course, being a night owl also means I get up a little later. So mine I've set currently from 10 a.m. to 4 a.m., which means that all day, starting at 10 a.m. in the morning, all day until 4 a.m. at night, the computer won't restart for updates. It will tell me, I will have an icon in the taskbar with a little, it's going to tell me, restart is required at some point, but it won't do it automatically. So this goes with how you use your computer. Right now, if you look at mine, it says adjust active hours automatically. It knows that this is the time frame that I actually am using the computer. So it shows a time frame for me. So you can set it automatically. If you have a pattern that you have that you use that's always the same or roughly the same, automatic could be the way to do it. But if not, you can go here and choose manually. When you choose manually, then you'll have the option to set the time and the start time and the end time for this to happen. So by default, it's 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. But if you want to change this, you are able to change this. So whether you choose automatic or whether you choose to have it set in a specific manual way, you can just choose manual. And this will prevent any surprise updates that will restart your PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.